Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is your Ram Sai. In this video, we are going to discuss about biodiversity and types of biodiversity and the values of biodiversity and biogeographical zones and their importance and their values and how to conserve them. We are going to discuss in this video. First of all, what is biodiversity? Biodiversity, it is the variety of organisms that are present in in a particular area to perform the functions of them is known as the biodiversity. Genetic diversity, there is a types of diversities are present. It refers to the variety of forms or different plants or animals and the microorganisms in a particular area is known as biodiversity. This biodiversity is found at the following levels like genetic diversity, ecosystem diversity, and the species diversity. There are three types. They are genetic diversity, ecosystem diversity, species diversity. Let us discuss them in the detail. Genetic diversity is due to the large number of combinations of genes. A large number of combination of genes leads to the diversity, genetic diversity. Suppose example, variedness among the individuals, like they will be different depend upon the genes. Next one is the ecosystem diversity. Ecosystem diversity include the different forms of. There will not be the same ecosystem. There will be different between the two ecosystems. That is example, desert ecosystem has their own characters and the grassland ecosystem has their own characters which depart each other. And the species diversity, number of plants, animals and other different species are present in one place, that is known as the species diversity. Suppose the horse and the donkey types of species are present in a particular area, that is known as species diversity. Let us discuss about the biogeographical classification of India. That means biogeographic zones. There are 10 biogeographical zones in India. They are Trans-Himalayan region. It includes Ladakh mountains and also Tibetan plateau is also present. That are the biotic provenances. There are 26 biotic provenances. There is 26 biotic provenances are present for the 10 biogeographical regions. They are Trans-Himalayan has Ladakh and the Tibetan plateau, and Himalayan region has Himalayas. What are the types of Himalayas? That northwest Himalayas, west Himalayas, central Himalayas and eastern Himalayas are present. They are comes under the Himalayan region. And the desert region, what are the things are present? Thar region, Thar and Kutch are the two biotic provinces of the desert region that is present in the Gujarat, that present in the Rajasthan. Kutch and Thar regions comes under the desert region. And also semi-arid region. Semi-arid region include Punjab, Gujarat and Rajasthan. Semi-arid region include the Punjab, Gujarat and Rajasthan. And Western Ghats region include Malabar Plains and Western Ghats. Malabar Plains and Western Ghats that are present in the Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. Western Ghats are present mainly in the Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala, and their provinces include Malabar Plains and Western Ghats. Deccan Peninsula region include the plateau, Central Highlands, the plateaus are include the Chotanagpur Plateau, Eastern Highlands, Central Plateau and the Deccan South. These all comes under the Deccan Plateau. And the Gangetic Plains. Gangetic Plains has the upper and lower Gangetic Plains. Two provinces that are upper and lower Gangetic Plains. And Indian coast. And coast include the western and eastern coastlines and the Lakshadweep Islands also present under the Indian coast. And also northeast region. Northeast region include Assam Hills, Brahmaputra Valley, and Northeast Hills. That is Assam Hills and Brahmaputra Valley comes under the Northeast region. And also Indian Islands. Indian Islands include Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands. These comes under the Indian Islands. These are the 10 biogeographical zones with the 26 biotic provenances. Okay. Let us discuss it with the map, Indian map. In this, first one will be the Trans-Himalayan. This total blue color indicating the Trans-Himalayan region. It is around 5.6 total geographical area of India, and it's consisting of alpine steppe vegetation mostly. There are goats, sheep, and snow leopards are found in this region. Majorly migratory black-necked cranes are also present. That is scientific name is Grus nigrolis is present in this, and their temperature is very cold in this place. Cold dry desert is present, which is extremely fragile environment is present in this. Okay, that is around 5.6 percentage of Indian total region, and the Himalayan region includes 6.4 percentage. 6.4 percentage. That is, this is the Himalayan region. This is the Himalayan region. It is included, and this is also comes under this. Okay, this is the Himalayan region. In this, it's the northwest and northwest, west, central, and eastern Himalayas comes under the Himalayan region. In this, 6.4 percentage of Himalayas are present, total geographical area, and is consisting of endangered species like Himalayan tar, that is scientific name Hemistragus gemlificus, and also Hangul is present, that is Cervus LD, and musk deer is also present. Mustus mustiferus is the scientific name of musk deer. These are endemic species and endangered species that are present in the Himalayan region. And the desert include this is the desert region. This comes under the desert region. It's around 6.6 percentage of the total geographical area. 6.6 percentage of the total geographical area comes under the desert. In these the species like caracal, Felis caracals, and also wolves are present. Canis lupus is the scientific name of the wolf, and desert cat is also present, Felis libia, and all this comes under the endangered species of the Indian desert zone. And also birds also present like Habara bustard, that is the Chemidotis undulate is the scientific name of the Habara bustard, and Indian great bustard is also present in this region. Ardiotis nigriceps, the scientific name of that are present in the these desert region. And let us discuss about the semi-arid region. Semi-arid region consisting of 18.6 percentage. That is this is the semi-arid region. This total comes under the semi-arid region, 18.6 percentage. And also in this semi-arid region, it is between the desert, transition zone between the desert and the forest of the Western Ghats. This is known as the semi-arid region. In this region, the domestic grasses of palatable shrubs layers are present, and better wooded hills like Sambar Cervus unicolor, it is the scientific name. Sambar is also present in the better wooded hills, and also moisture valleys are present in that. Axis spotted deer, that is cheetal, is also present in that. And also endangered species like lion, Leo pesica, and caracal, Felis caracals, and jackal, Canis aurus, and wolves also present like Canis lupus is the scientific name of that. These are the endangered species that are present in the semi-arid regions. And also let's go to the Western Ghats. This area comes under the Western Ghats. This total area to down comes under the Western Ghats. This Western Ghats covers around 4%. 4% is covered by the Western Ghats, and the Western Ghats include Malabar Plains and the Western Ghats. In this, the Nilgiri Langur is the most important thing that is endemic to the Western Ghats. Nilgiri Langur, Presbytis jobni, it is known as Nilgiri Tara, also very important species that is present in the Western Ghats, only endemic to Western Ghats. That is Hemitragus Bilocrius is the scientific name of that, and Malabar civet Vivericula megaspila is the scientific name of Malabar civet, that is also present in the Western Ghats, and Malabar grey hornbill Oceceras gricepsus is also present there. Grizzled giant squirrel, it will not be present in other places, but it is endemic to the Western Ghats. Grizzled giant squirrel, it is Ratufa macrora is the scientific name of that, and lion tail macaque, it is the most important species that is endemic to the Western Ghats only, that is lion tail macaque. And also Travancore tortoise and some of the turtles, central Western Ghats also most important, this comes under the Western Ghats. And also Deccan Peninsula. Deccan Peninsula is the most important thing which covers the most of the region. This is the Deccan Peninsula. This region total comes under the Deccan Peninsula, which is the highest percentage of 42%. Total area 42% is covered in. And the Gangetic Plains. Gangetic Plains covers around, this is the Gangetic Plains. It covers around 10.8%. Gangetic Plains include 10.8% like rhinoceros. Rhinoceros unicolor is the scientific name, and elephant, buffaloes, babulis is the scientific name of buffaloes also present, and the swamp deer, Cervus duveseli, and hawk deer, Axis porcinus, everything is comes under the Gangetic Plains that are present. The most important species Platinista gangetica. Gangetica species is present in the Gangetica Plains, and also the coast include that 2.5% coast, that these comes under the coastal region, that is 2.5%. And the coast region include Lakshadweep Islands, and no natural vegetation is present in the coastal region mostly because totally occupied by the water. And also Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar, these comes under the island, these total islands comes under Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This is covers around the 0.3%. 0.3%. It is endemic species of the Andaman are Narcondam hornbill is present, and also South Andaman crate. It is the Bangaras andamanensis. It's the scientific name of South Andaman crate. Okay, these are the species present in the Andaman, and also northeastern region, right? This is northeastern region. It is present around 5.2%. I have missed it. Northeastern region is concerned comes under the seven sisters are present. The seven sisters are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura, and Mizoram. All these seven sisters, these areas comes under the northeastern region, and also this region is between transition zone between the Indian and Indo-Malayan and Indo-Chinese. All this comes under the northeastern region. This is the transition between them, and also Brahmaputra Valley and northeastern valley, between that it is present. Let us go to the next slide. What are the values of biodiversity? Productive use of the values is present, that are the values assigned to the product that are commercially harvested and sold in the market. It includes the economic values. That is nothing but product. If we sell in the market, we will get the money. That is, we are gaining the economical values from the product values. Consumptive values include, these values are placed on the natural products that are consumed directly. We can consume these products directly from like food, fodder, everything that is coming from the forest that we are using, and also we are selling them to get the economical values as well. And also indirect values also present, that are related to the functioning of ecosystem, that is giving indirect services to us, which is giving the ecological values comes under the. Some of the economical values are given here. They are biodiversity, like food supply, key to the food security, and provides the drugs and the medicine as well, and also makes the man healthy, and promotes the tourism. It will promote the tourism, and it will promote the fiber as well, and also it will give the fiber, it will give the wood for the building materials also. Most important thing that biofuels also getting from this only. And important ecological functions and values are that hydrological cycle, it is important role, it plays an important role in the hydrological cycle, it plays an important role in the soil formation, and also biodiversity helps in the nutrients recycling is the most important thing. In that also it will plays a major role and reduces the pollution with the taking the carbon dioxide levels by the plants and other animals. And also biodiversity, pest disease control is also happening by the biodiversity maintains the climatic balance and also helps in the research. By the research only we are coming to know about different aspects, and we are finding the different things to reduce all the climate change. Aesthetic values and ethical and cultural values of the biodiversity include that brings the aesthetic benefits like providing the enjoyment by fishing, hiking, and also wildlife watching also. All this comes under the aesthetic values. Yeah, in some cultures they are protecting and worshipping the nature has the religious significance. By this activity also most of the plants and animals are conserved by the religious practices. Ethical values is the related to the existence of the species, and the reason is enough to protect and preserve it. Reason is enough to protect and preserve it because they are giving benefits to us. Biodiversity at national level, India is a mega biodiversity nation. Mega biodiversity nation where the conservation is the priority. Majorly conservation should be the priority. There are 18 such nations. In that, seventh largest country is in the world is India, and it has the biogeographical zones, 10 biogeographical zones and 26 provinces. It covers 7% of the world flora and 6.5% of the total world fauna. Thank you so much. This is your Ram Sai. By this, we will end the session. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. I am providing this link for my Telegram channel. In that, I am going to post most of the important PDF and all the important topics, links, and as well as all the links will be provided in my Telegram channel. That is, I am going to put in the description. Please join the channel and subscribe my YouTube channel for further updates, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel so that it will reach to the most of the people who are in need. Thank you so much. This is your Ram Sai signing off.